Hi, Shulan here. I'm the course chair for Diploma in Mechanical Engineering, in short, DME. I understand that you are now at a pivotal stage in choosing your first professional course, which is the course that allows you to combine your love for engineering, affinity for physics and mathematics, and maybe your interest in non-engineering such as coding and business-related domains. You may like to consider mechanical engineering. Similar to other SP's engineering courses, Diploma in Mechanical Engineering is a good and relevant course. Other than infused with common core curriculum that prepares you for a disruptive world that ever-changing, mechanical engineering's curriculum that not only focus on domain core, but also strengthened with broadening core related to other disciplines such as electrical and electronic engineering, programming, and opportunity to specialize in one of the specializations listed here, starting from second years, not only open doors to various engineering disciplines aligning closely with the needs of Singapore dynamics industry, as shared in the recent Future Job Report published by World Economic Forum recently, mechanical engineering related job is also in demand by diverse sectors. As you can see that other than advanced manufacturing, automotive and aerospace, mechanical engineering related expertise is needed in chemical, electronics, energy and utilities, production, oil and gas, retail and wholesale consumer goods, supply chain and transportation. This proves that mechanical engineering discipline also allows you to explore diverse fields beyond traditional engineering. Therefore, as extracted from the Burning Glass Labour Insight database, mechanical engineering has been ranked as one of the top engineering occupations in Singapore all these years. In fact, as highlighted here, quite a number of top engineering occupations are relevant and applicable to mechanical engineering. Therefore, mechanical engineering related occupations are in high demand. The broad-based nature of mechanical engineering, combined with a diverse array of electives offered by 9 other schools in SP and the option to minor in various disciplines, provide you with abundant opportunities. You will be able to find out more about mechanical engineering course structure by scanning the QR code provided. Our authentic learning space, which have been seen as one of the important elements of current engineering education, allows you to have access to modern engineering tools and facilities, enabling the development of relevant knowledge and skill in emerging technologies and innovation. And these are some of our industry collaborators. In addition to offering multiple career pathways, you have the opportunity to pursue further studies in both engineering and non-engineering disciplines at local and international universities. Additionally, you can also gain an advanced standing in mechanical engineering degree courses up to 1 year at local and 2 years at international universities. You are also eligible to apply for our Accelerated Pathway Program, in short APP, which includes relevant degree programs offered by both NUS and NTU if you meet the selection criteria. And here are some of our proud graduates. They were multiple awards winners due to their excellent academic and CCA achievement. I hope to feature you as our another proud graduate few years later. Lastly, I look forward to seeing you again at SP. And I'd like to emphasize again, mechanical engineering is an excellent choice as your first professional course, as mechanical engineering is the most broad-based engineering course that is evergreen, always relevant and in demand by all sectors. Thank you.